When you are creating a website, one of the first things you need is a domain name. A domain name is the web address people will use to find your site. Choosing the right domain name and the right registrar is an important step. In this video, we will go over the best domain registrars and how to purchase a domain name using Bluehost. There are many domain registrars to choose from, each offering different benefits. Some provide low prices, while others include extra features like email hosting, security, and excellent customer support. When selecting a registrar, it's essential to consider factors like renewal rates, ease of use, and additional perks. To help you make the right choice, let's explore some of the best domain registrars available. The first option is Namecheap. Namecheap is a well-known domain registrar that offers competitive pricing. It is known for providing free domain privacy, which protects your personal information from being publicly available. This is a great feature because it helps prevent spam and unwanted solicitations. Namecheap also offers a wide variety of domain extensions, including .com, .net, .org, and even newer ones like RDI and .tech. Their platform is easy to use, making domain registration quick and simple. They also provide a solid customer support team available through live chat and email. You can register a domain name with them for around $10 to $15 per year, depending on the extension and any ongoing promotions. Another great option is GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, managing millions of domains globally. It offers frequent discounts, so you can sometimes get a domain for a very low price for the first year. However, it is important to note that their renewal prices can be significantly higher. GoDaddy provides a complete suite of services beyond domain registration, including website hosting, email services, SSL certificates, and website building tools. They have a strong presence in the industry, which means they have robust infrastructure and reliable support. Their platform is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to register and manage their domains. However, some users find that the numerous upsells during checkout can be overwhelming, so it's important to review the order before completing a purchase. Google Domains was a popular choice in the past, but Google has discontinued this service. Instead, they now direct users to Squarespace domains. Squarespace allows you to register domains, and if you're building a website using Squarespace, this can be a convenient option. However, their pricing is higher compared to other registrars. One advantage of using Squarespace domains is that it includes Huawei's privacy protection at no extra cost, which helps keep your personal details private. Additionally, if you're already using Squarespace for website building, managing your domain within the same platform can make things more convenient. Dynadot is another excellent choice for those looking for transparent pricing and strong security features. Dynadot is known for offering competitive rates without hidden fees. One of its standout features is its clean and intuitive interface, which makes it easy to search for and register domains. Dynadot also offers bulk discounts, which can be useful if you are registering multiple domains. Like Namecheap, Dynadot provides free domain privacy to protect your personal information. Additionally, they have a robust domain auction system allowing users to buy and sell domains easily. If you are someone interested in domain investing, Dynadot could be a good option to explore. Another well-regarded registrar is Hover. Hover is known for its simplicity and focus on domain registration. Unlike some registrars that push additional services, Hover keeps things straightforward by focusing solely on domain names and email hosting. They offer free Huawei's privacy on all domains, and their renewal prices are transparent. Hover's interface is clean, and they provide excellent customer support. If you want a no-frills experience and don't need web hosting bundled with your domain, Hover is a great choice. Now let's talk about Bluehost. Bluehost is a well-known web hosting provider that also offers domain registration, making it a convenient choice for anyone looking to build a website. With Bluehost, you can get both your hosting and domain in one place, simplifying the process of setting up your site. Many people choose Bluehost due to its affordable pricing, reliable hosting, and excellent customer support. It provides a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, catering to different needs and budgets. Bluehost also offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to manage their websites. Additionally, it is officially recommended by WordPress, making it a top choice for those planning to create a WordPress site. With strong security features and 24/7 customer support, Bluehost ensures a smooth and secure website experience. Now, we will go through the steps to purchase a domain name using Bluehost. First, go to the Bluehost website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you arrive on the homepage, locate the domain name search bar, which is typically near the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in the name you want for your website. Bluehost will then check its availability and display the results. If your first choice is available, you can proceed with registering it. However, if the domain is already taken, Bluehost will suggest similar alternatives that you might like. You can choose one of the recommended names or modify your search by trying different variations until you find one that suits your needs. Once you have selected an available domain, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once you find an available domain, click on it to proceed. Bluehost will ask if you want to add hosting. If you only need a domain name, you can continue without hosting. If you plan to build a website, you might want to choose a hosting plan at this stage. Next, you will see options for domain privacy. Bluehost offers domain privacy protection, which helps keep your personal information safe. This prevents your name, email, and address from being visible in public domain records. It is recommended to enable this feature. After proceeding to the checkout page, you will need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Setting up an account allows you to manage your domain, renew it, and access additional features. Once logged in, fill in your personal and billing details accurately. Next, choose the registration length for your domain. While most domains are available for 1 year by default, you can opt to register them for multiple years to ensure long-term ownership and avoid renewal hassles. After selecting the registration period, enter your payment details carefully. Many providers accept credit cards, PayPal, and other payment methods. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review your order. Ensure that the domain name, registration period, and total cost are correct. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your domain registration and further instructions. You will receive a confirmation email from Bluehost with the details of your new domain. Now, you officially own the domain name, and you can start using it for your website. To find your purchased domain on Bluehost, log in to your Bluehost account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Domains section. Here, you will see a list of all your registered domains. You can manage settings, update domain privacy, and link the domain to your website from this section. Buying a domain name is the first step in building an online presence. Choosing the right registrar makes it easier to manage your domain and website. Bluehost is a great option because it provides both domain registration and hosting in one place. If you want to get started, check the link in the description to try Bluehost for a great price.